Welcome back to the channel, everybody. We got another monster build for you guys. You guys are witnessing a 2021 Lamborghini Urus. It's equipped with a full Mansory wide body kit, Mansory forged monoblock wheels, lowered. You guys saw the early stages of this build in the shop when we were just test fitting the kit on there. And then now you guys are able to see the finished product. This one was very specific. The client wanted red accents all through the vehicle. So we applied red accents, as you guys can see. But what we did is when you go to touch and feel the actual red accents in the areas that we applied it in, you don't feel the difference between the paint and the carbon fiber. So it's a lot of detail, it's a lot of work on the back end. Exposed carbon all the way through the vehicle. And on this particular build, compared to Kim Kardashian's Urus, the complete hood was left in carbon fiber, where Kim's, we kind of, separated some of the carbon along, mixed it with paint. So, and again, another monster build. This one is a full Mansory because we ran Mansory wheels as well. The red accents definitely make it pop and is a little different from everything else that we've seen out there. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. We dropped the merch last week. It was amazingly successful. Literally, I want to say there's a few pieces left. We're going to put the link up on the video. If you still want to try to grab a few pieces while they last, you guys are more than welcome to jump online and grab that. We got a lot more in store for you guys. A bunch of monstrous builds just like this one. So see you guys soon. So I'm driving this bad boy, and you can't not notice the beautiful sound that the exhaust makes. It sounds nice and aggressive. It has like nice little pops to it, but at the same time, it's not too aggressive where it's annoying, and you enjoy driving it. At the setting that we're at right now, we're at the Corsa setting, which is the lowest, and it drives actually very, very well lowered on the Corsa setting or the sport setting. So exhaust is dialed in. It's a Mansory exhaust. It's perfect. The car has super wide wheels, obviously in the rear. They're like 13s. It rides amazingly smooth, and you still feel sporty like you're in a race car, So the Mansory wide body kit, along with the car and the full, custom build with all the red accents, puts this car somewhere at around a price range of about $550,000 to $600,000. Naturally, the car market is super inflated right now these days. I mean, your local dealers might not have, Lamborghini Urus in stock. But with that being said, in this inflated market, this is a 2021. It has delivery miles. It literally has like 200 miles on the car, so it's brand new. When you see it touch it, feel it, and enjoy this car, definitely well worth it. And you know, it's unique, and it differs itself from every other vehicle on the road. So another cool thing that Mansory offers is this cool remote control, which basically, you know, it controls the exhaust system. So when you put this down, they have buttons where basically the valves shut on and shut off. So you can turn the valves on, you can turn the valves off. So if you're trying to have some peace and quiet and you're on a long ride and you don't want to hear the rumbling of the exhaust, you're able to turn it off. And whenever you want to feel sporty and you want to be able to enjoy that exhaust sound, you can turn it on with the switch. And it's comfortable because it's literally on the little remote switch, you know, as this basically. This is the little remote for it. And it's perfect, you know, like you can turn it off and on. So it has a lot of cool functions. You know, Mansory doesn't play, man. They don't cut corners. You know, shout out to our boys and the team at Mansory, and we have a lot more in store for you guys. So please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that notification button, because you know we got a lot more heat coming for you guys.